Hi, this is Ronnie and welcome to my channel. And today it's Scrap 5 Challenge. All of us will be working with a list and Kelsey Webster picked them out this month. And it's vellum, doily, nouveau or enamel drops, hand journaling, machine, hand, and faux stitching. And I'm going to scrap this picture, and that's my daughter on the right and my niece on the left. And we were all at a wedding, and it was um, their cousin's wedding. And yeah, they're kind of in the background, but they're pretty hard to see. But yeah, I'm scrapping their picture. And this right here is a kit. I got it from HSN forever ago. I know over 10 years ago. The wedding was 10 years ago. And I've already used half of it. It's supposed to be a 2-page spread, but I don't think out of any of them that I bought that time, I did a 2-page spread. Most of them I gave away. Um, they had a fundraiser at work one time, and they wanted me to do a scrapbook kit. And I really did not have time to make one up, so I gave 10 of these packages away. Well, it was 20 pages because I gave an album too. But I had a few left. I picked the ones I wanted to keep, but this one I'd already done half, so it wasn't even an option of which one to give. And yeah, and right here's when I know I already noticed it. I was too busy talking. Anyway, I wanted the confetti, of course, at the top, like it's coming down from the ceiling, and I put the first piece of vellum down and did not notice it. And look how crooked that is. You all seen me use the T-square ruler. I'm going to put the strip on there, and as soon as I do, man, it shows up really well that it is crooked. And so I just mostly lined it up with that strip right there. And I see it celebrate on there. I thought about using it, but then I thought, I think I've got to celebrate in here somewhere in the thickers that would be a different gold. And I like this one, but as long as I had the other one, I thought I'd use it on this page. Oh, I'm trimming those little tippy things off that, where you perforated edges. That's what I'm tearing off. I don't like them. They stick out to me. They look really big when I'm trying to scrapbook. So yeah, I took my little scissors and trimmed them off. And you will see me doing that because somehow I don't get them very good and keep seeing more. Um, this calls for journaling, handwritten journaling. So I do have a journaling card on here. This had one in it. That's one of the reasons I picked it. And when I looked for a picture first, and I picked like 3 different ones. Then I went looking for paper and stuff to use to make the layout. And I started out, I was going to do my granddaughter's picture, and this was like a second choice or maybe even a third. But then I seen this, and I thought, I haven't used it yet. I've had a long time. I really need to use it. And so, yeah, I am using it on this page. The doily was another thing that you needed to use. And so I moved everything to the left where they had it kind of centered, maybe even to the right because of the 2-page spread. I'm not sure. I know I showed you all the picture, but I am not sure. And yeah, I wanted to have room for my doily, and of course I wanted it in a certain spot. So yeah, I moved that over to the left, and I do like it over there to the left. But there's my celebrate, and it's out of that thicker set, and I don't even know. I know it's a birthday set, and it went with a birthday collection. um Maybe Dear Lizzie, and it was kind of celebrate stuff, and you could use it for birthdays and everything else. Maybe, I can't remember. But it was in my drawer, so I used it. And here, oh, I'm got to have stitches, so I'm going to put stitches on down here in this corner. I'm going to put 3 cross stitches, so yeah, it don't take me very long to get them on there because those are usually I do it twice on the layout, but I really didn't see any other place on the layout that I wanted them. So yeah, I moved it. But yeah, I like stitches on layouts, but this one I had a hard time deciding where I wanted to put it. I thought maybe I should have went with the other picture to start with. I did back that chevron arrow looking thing in black. I wanted it to show up a little better, and I really liked it up there in the spot where Celebrate was at, but I knew I had to put Celebrate on here. And I thought, Celebrate go right by this moment a whole lot better than down at the bottom. And here is another arrow, and it says, let me get my layout right here, these moments. So it's love these moments, because I'm putting love from that thicker set also. And I kind of made it go over the top of the black arrow. And I first thought I was just going to let it sit there like that because I put glue on there. And then, of course, I decided, oh, I better go ahead and put the foam tape under there. So I do. And then later, I happened to see my gold thread over there. And, I hardly ever think of using it. I can use it on here. And I was wishing I hadn't put that piece of foam tape on there because it was a little harder to tuck under there when I did it. And yeah, I would have put the thread on before I glued all this stuff down if I'd thought of it sooner. These are from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and I think they're a New Year one. I think it might even say Happy New Year. But I'm not going to use the red. I'm going to kind of pick all them out and put them back in there. I tried not to get any, but yeah, I'm going to use the black, the white, the little teeny tiny gold, and then there was like 3 bigger gold stars, and I thought, well, I'm going to get all 3 of those and put them on my layout. And so I'm going to scatter them out. And, you see my enamel dots over there? I laid them out so I'd be sure and remember them. I put all these sequins on here where I would have put my enamel dots to start with. But yeah, I put all the sequins on here. When I pulled them out, I thought about scattering them within the other confetti up there at the top. But then once I got them out, I thought, I can put them here because I forgot the enamel dots. And I am going to forget them till after I am doing the video and, well, actually I've done and edited out a lot of stuff, and I was doing the voiceover and had to start the voiceover again because I had to go back in and put the enamel dots on and take the pictures again. I did not video it though. Video record it though. I just went ahead and took the pictures. So you will see enamel dots in the end layout. Yeah. Thank goodness I had to read that list. I just don't even know what I was thinking because, that's why they're laying there. But yeah, that's my daughter and Beth. And Beth is the youngest of my brother's 3 girls. So there's an age gap between her and my daughter, like 10 years. But they are really good friends. They're really close. They're closer than the ones that are the same age even. But there's a list below of all the other gals that are in this challenge and using the same 5 things. And if you would like to try it and do it, like on Instagram even, if you don't do videos, do hashtag scrap5, and so we can see it. And you can always tag us on it. But thank you all so very, very much for watching. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, of course, I would love to have you subscribe. And all of you that are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. But yeah, this is my layout, and I came through on those enamel dots, and I did get all 5 things on this layout. So I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week, and stay safe. Thanks. Bye.